Jesus geese. Look, they're walking on water. He has returned. He has. But wait, they're all doing it though. Wait a minute, that's a frozen river. You liars! You lied! Look, there's Audrey thinking they're actually going to come to her. She loves animals. She hates if an animal doesn't like her. Little does she know I poisoned her coffee. She should be dropping any minute now. And I've hidden the antidote in one of these geese. That was just fucking stupid, I'm sorry. So, oh, look, she's all... Why are you in a tree? Why are you in the tree? I'm the one that's supposed to be doing cool things. No, I don't want to now. I'm not coming up. I'm going home.